The body of a kayaker who had been reported missing since January 28th was recovered from the Allegheny River in Warren County. The man was found on April 15th, roughly 5 miles south of the Tidiute Bridge, after a resident called in and reported a body in the water. According to the Warren County Coroner's Office, that person was identified as 20-year-old Jeremiah Smith of Lakeview, South Dakota. Smith was last seen going into the river on a kayak on January 28th. State and local agencies searched for weeks throughout the winter and early spring, but both the weather and river conditions hindered efforts. The county coroner says this brings closure to a difficult chapter for both the family and the community.